like. So layers of the eyeball, the outer tough whitish layer is sclera. Inside, I'm going to see we have a very thin, delicate inner lining, that's retina. If I move retina out of the way, there's a black layer that I can lift here. Part of it does have shiny iridescence, but that black layer is choroid. So we had sclera, choroid, retina. In the back of the eyeball, there's also this optic nerve right here. The retina is connected to that optic nerve. In the front of the eyeball, we have cornea, which in life would be clear. Inside the eyeball, we have lens, which is this ball-like structure, which in life would also be clear, forming a ring around the lens with little ridges on it. This is the ciliary body. It's a muscle that controls the shape of the lens. If I pop the lens out of the way, there's another little layer of muscle. That's the iris. There's a hole in the middle of the iris called pupil that lets light in to the eye. The fluid-filled spaces in the eye, so in the very front, between the cornea and the iris, in the front of the iris, that's the anterior chamber. There would be a little fluid-filled space behind the iris, between iris and lens, that's the posterior chamber. And then the really large space here behind lens, all of this would be called the vitreous chamber, and in it would be this jelly-like stuff called the vitreous humor.